We gotta.
Let's see.
That's what I've been.
Oh hell!
Oh.
That motherfucker's not coming off.
So cut it.
Where the fucking knife?
I don't know. I handed it to you.
Oh, it's right here. Ow! I picked it up by the fucking blade. Oh, this shit's about to fucking fall on my damn face.
Does it not burn? Are you hitting your...
Oh
No,
yeah, it's burning the fuck out of my hand.
Oh, I was trying to say this side's not hot.
Well, this side is, Luke.
Must be nice,
yeah,
Luke.
that side's hot because that's the one that has no break in the corner. This side has a break in the corner. Hey, this shit's gonna be stupid loud.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't have any cats.
Well, see, it sounded good anyway, but now it's just...
Wait, does this mean my gas mileage is gonna go back up just a little bit?
No, it's gonna go back down.
Wait, why?
Because you don't have any mufflers. You don't have any back pressure.
Oh, I thought when you take your mufflers off, you get increased gas.
I thought that too, Luke.
Well, when you have cats, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, my
shit.
God!
Yes.
Shit just fucked my hand.
I'm so glad I saw that. Holy
There you
shit.
go. I'm leaving this right there. Just you know, don't break the
So
camera.
you're fucking. So the
Please, I
fucking
want you
phone.
to be start. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
I gotta do one in a day.
Get-
Where's Devin? I'm getting the 14 Pro Max.
Devin left. Or Devin rode around for a little bit.
No way. I
I
get
don't know what's
the
going on.
14 Pro Max.
You want
tomorrow.
help?
Yes.
What are you gonna do with this one?
I'm trading it in. If not, I would already sold it.
You want to start it up yet?
Not until it's fully gone.
Oh, it's not... Oh.
Is that Devin?
Devin!
Oh, fuck my wrist!
Oh my god. Deb.
Alright, I got it. Okay.
Oh my. I know.
Oh my God. I feel like fucking hammered dog ass.
It's a lot.
I feel like fucking shit, bro.
I got it.
Bro, the whole...
What are we doing? There you go. Here's your hat, Bradley.
Thanks.
Okay.
On my face and my fucking core.
Oh, I'm sorry. Start it up, come on.
Start it. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Oh, you know he's going to rev the crap out of it.
Cats either.
Start it.
Ready? Yep.
I mean, better.
Sounds like ass.
That's what that is. Rev it.
Sounds like I got a little cam.
Rev it.
Rev it a little bit. I mean...
Why is it so loud?
This is the worst decision we've ever done. Why did we give him the loud song?
My grandparents are gonna kill me. I'm not making it home alive.
Why did we give you the loudest?
This shit is stupid
Oh
loud.
my
We need
fucking
listen.
God.
We need to put that back on and cut the fucking mother.
Nigga,
Hold
I'm
on,
going
wait, I
to
need
jail
a picture
tonight.
first,
I'm not
hold
making
on.
it home without a ticket at least 4 times.
Wait,
Did
hold
you?
on. Everybody move. Luke, I need you to pose, okay?
I have new flow
Do you have a? Do you have a?
have-
Actually, you know what?
I have flow masters to put on.
Luke.
I can take that home and I can cut it off with my own grind.
I have flow masters.
If you want me to put that, do that.
You put my
That's
flow
going
masters
on my photo
No,
up.
I don't have a welder.
on. I have a welder. I have a welder. You know how to weld?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Not welding shit, but I can weld.
Hey, I'm dropping my
It'll
buddy
stick
off. I'll be
together.
As long as
Oh,
it's
Hey, help me put this in my fucking truck.
You nasty ass dog.
Hey, we'll just put it in my truck. Oh, look at this fucking strong guy. You got it? Wait, how are we gonna put it back on? The mounts are fucked. Oh, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We can duct tape it
We'll
if we
put it
have
back
to.
on.
We can tape it if we have to.
Stupid wet bitch.
Hell yeah,
What?
brother.